Hi, Preston Trask here with Birkey's Farm Store Precision Farming Team, here to showcase yet another offering we have for drone trailers. This here is a drone hanger. We partnered with Top Notch Trailers out of Missouri. They manufacture and engineer those themselves. This is a solution for customers that may already have a trailer that they're wanting to incorporate a lockable, waterproof enclosure to be able to store drones in. These are fully customizable. You can make this any size or shape. This current configuration has 2 doors on either end. You can also have doors on the sides. This unit also has a full walk-on roof that is optional. You can also get fork pockets as well that are optional. Coming around to the front here, both sides have full opening, locking doors, and up to a 6-foot sliding drawer system that goes out either side. So this, again, is a lockable solution. It's waterproof. You can fit larger models of drones in here, like we have here, the DJI T100. You can also have optional lighting packages on the interior and the exterior. Currently, this one has 2 interior lights. You can also get pre-wired electrical panels installed in here as well. You can also configure these with exterior lighting packages as well. You can customize the quantity and location. You can also get handles for grabbing and just step onto your trailer. You can also configure these in any configuration you would like. If you're interested, contact your local Birkey's Farm Store Precision Farming Specialist.